So I have a swamp cooler pad. I just went to Home Depot and I bought this 24 by 30 pad for $12 or something like that. So what I did was I got tired of every time that I would go drain fluid out of my car, as soon as it would hit my oil pan, it would splash if it was, the certain spot. But so I figured this should allow any fluid to go past it and drain into the catch pan right here without letting it splash. So I've got about a quart of a bunch of old leftover oil that I still had. So gonna do a test right here, and I just got some zip ties. I didn't have really long ones, so that's why there's a bunch of them on there. But anyways, my camera turned off, but luckily you were able to see a little bit of me pouring the oil out onto the swamp cooler pad, and yeah, it definitely did not splash anywhere. So $12, Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever you can get some swamp cooler pads. Looks like this is the move right here to make changing your own fluids less messy.